Hello YouTube. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video. I've been slacking on that. This vehicle here is the 2014 GMC Acadia, which has been a real electrical nightmare. But it lost throttle control on the highway when the owner brought it to me, and now it won't run. So we had to figure out what's going on here. It eventually ended up being fuel related. So if you want to come over here, just look at a couple things. What I've already done is replace this little guy here, which is a fuel injection rail pressure sensor that goes underneath the intake here, and that didn't fix it. So I ran carb choke cleaner through it and it ran. So that tells me it's not mechanical related. These have timing chain problems. And then I replaced the high pressure fuel pump here. Still no effect. Still cranks really hard and only fires for a second and then instantly dies. So it's led me to other things here. I replaced the low pressure fuel pump and kind of had a look underneath here. There's a 5-volt reference wire that's gray, which I'll show you underneath. That has been a problem child for some of these Acadias. So it goes up into the kick panel like this, then goes up through here, then past this little rail, and it goes up into the fuel tank area and wraps around through here, this little wiring harness here. This is how I found what was wrong. I replaced this sensor right here, which is a fuel rail pressure sensor, but it's for the vapor canister. You wouldn't think it would completely cause the vehicle to not start, but that wouldn't be the problem was. I had to take off this little cover here that has 4 bolts, and still wouldn't start right away. And it ran like garbage at first, but I just had to grab a little bit of brake clean here, reach into the butterfly valve, spray some brake cleaner in there. Eventually it started for me. So now that I've replaced it, I'll show you it works. You can try all the things you want. You can try replacing this and that, but this is what ended up fixing it for me. It might start hard at first. The traction control light will come on. See, it sputtered a little bit, but it'll probably run bad until you clear that check engine light that you see there. So just get yourself a good dedicated scan tool, clear that code, and then it will run like new. So I hope that helps for anyone who's having the same problem. All right, peace.